gotta be kidding me right now. This is so... I am not even joking right now. The HomePod Mini is probably the most exciting product that Apple has launched this year. And I'm just super excited to actually unbox it, super excited to actually check it out. It comes in this awesome box that you have to peel off. Okay, and here we go. This is the HomePod Mini, and wow! I mean, just look at the box. It is super small. I've always wanted a HomePod Mini. Like, I've been saying this for ages. I'm just super hyped to actually check it out. I also got it in black to see how the black looks like. I absolutely love this packaging, by the way. I mean, we've gotten used to Apple doing like this minimal packaging, which is beautiful, but once in a while, I like Apple doing stuff like this. Okay, and here we go. Actually, let's unbox both of them at the same time. So the HomePod Mini is $100, which is expensive for a smart speaker, but it's a very affordable, cheap Apple speaker, if that makes sense. Okay, here we go. I'm probably gonna keep the white or the black. I'm probably gonna keep both since they are so cheap. Okay, here we go. I'm unboxing both of them at the same time. 1, 2, I've never seen the HomePod Mini in person. This is my first reaction. Okay, I'm super hyped for this. 1, 2, and 3. You gotta be joking. You gotta be kidding me right now. You gotta be kidding me right now. This is so small. This is so incredibly small. I love this. Okay, in the box we get this pull tab, which nothing comes in here. We get some pamphlets, information, and then we get the one and only Apple sticker. And that's everything that you get in the box. Oh, and here we go, Apple. Power adapter. Thank you so incredibly much. This is the way you do it. You gotta put power adapters in things like this. Like, I found it so ridiculous, for example, with the MagSafe charger, that it's a charger, so you need to plug it in. And then Apple didn't include it. Like, I'm fine with them not including it on the iPhone, but with stuff like this, you just need to put it. Okay, there's a sticker here. There's a sticker. Ready? Let's do that on the black as well. Oh, I don't know which one I prefer. Like, I always keep the white, and it fits more of my theme. I'm gonna put one in my desk. I don't know which one I prefer. I mean, look at these guys. They are so small. Okay, meanwhile, this actually loads up. Let's go ahead and do the size comparison. Look at this. Can we please appreciate this? HomePod. This is the mommy and this is the son. This is the most adorable thing this is my family. This is my family right now. How are you?
I'm happy to be here.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is everything that I ever wanted. Hey, play You and Me by Aqua Stone. Here we go. Okay, this is great. Yes! This is amazing. Like, it doesn't get as loud as the HomePod. I knew that. Sound quality is amazing. Bass, I love this. I love this so much, and I'm so excited to actually put a bunch of them in my house. Okay, and here we go. This is a sound comparison. This guy gets so loud. Definitely don't feel that room-filling sound like you do on the HomePod, but for the size, I'm gonna get so many of these, and I'm gonna put, whenever I put music, my entire house is gonna be filled with music because I'm gonna have so much HomePods. I don't know how many I should get. So far, I got 2. I'm gonna see how this works, and stay tuned to my review. I've been asking for this since whenever Apple released the HomePod, so this is just my dream come true right here. I love music. I love Apple Music, which, by the way, if you guys aren't following me on Apple Music, links are in the description. I've got 4 amazing playlists, Not in English, Fresh Lemonade, Breathe, and the Old Lemons playlist. I'm sorry, like, I've never been this excited about a product, and this might be the most boring product that I have ever unboxed, but this is the most exciting one for me. I love this, and I am super happy, baby. Let's go.
My darling, I told you I'm